just got my 2 implants in. Feels awesome. You want to hear it? It's awesome. It feels very natural right now. And even if I go with my tongue, it's like there's no difference, right? It's just, it's awesome. You still feel like normal teeth, even if you bite. It's not that you sort of, where there's no pressure where the implants are. No, it actually feels like a normal bite. It's great. It's awesome. That's just good technology. You see this thing emerging out of a plug. So there's a little Michelangelo there in the box, I think, sculpting your crown for you. It's awesome to watch. It goes really quick, and the teeth feel great in the beginning. And just the fact that you just come in, have the implants put in, and you just basically walk out and everything is done. This is fantastic.